Hello and welcome back to the lecture series of Python Simplified. In this video, we will discuss on the application areas of Python. So we are going to see where all Python programming could be applied depending on whatever things are available in Python. So let's begin. Okay, so the applications of Python are like there are numerous applications. These are some of the major application areas. First one is web and internet development, then scientific and numeric applications, then desktop and GUIs, software development, and for business applications. So these are the major categories of applications of Python. Now let's browse them one by one. First one, web and internet development. So Python offers many choices for web development. There are frameworks like Django and Pyramid. You can explore each of them depending on your need. I'll be just listing all of these features. Next, there are various micro frameworks like Flask and Bottle. And for advanced content management, we have systems like Plone and Django CMS. Next is Python has a standard library that supports many internet protocols like HTML, XML, JSON, email processing, and also Python supports FTP, IMAP, and other internet protocols. So because of the presence of all these features as well as the related tools in Python, Python is like widely used for web and internet development. Okay, and it also has an easy socket interface. Okay, next one is scientific and numeric applications. So there is a package in Python which is SciPy, SCIPY, which has a variety of mathematical functions available in it. So that can be directly used in order to have some scientific or numeric calculations. There is one more library which is Pandas, which is used for data analysis, and it is a modeling library. Next, IPython is also an interactive shell which help you record a session and help us to visualize in parallel computing. Okay, so next application area of Python is for desktop GUIs. So there are various libraries available, which is TKGUI library is the most famous GUI library of Python. There are also some toolkits available for several platforms like WX widgets, then Kiwi is for multi-touch applications, then you can have Qt via PyQt or PySide. So these are all the packages or the third-party tools which you can use for creating desktop GUIs in Python. There are also platform-specific tools like GTK Plus, then Microsoft Foundation classes through Windows 32 extensions. Okay, so these are all the tools through which one can create a desktop GUI in Python. Next application area is for software development. So Python supports the language for software developers to build any kind of like any tier of systems. Then there are sconce for build control. There are buildbot and Apache Grum for autonomous and continuous compilation and testing. So Python supports in development of the software as well. There are tools for bug tracking and project management, which are Roundup and Track. Next area of Python is in business applications. So it is used to build ERP, enterprise resource planning softwares, and e-commerce systems. So there is a software which is Odoo. It is a all-in-one management software which offers a variety of business applications. Next one is Tytron, which is a 3-tier high-level general purpose application platform. Okay, so these are all the application areas of major application areas of Python. Next video will be on input and output in Python. So thank you for watching.